diet tea, which is really great for weight loss. It reduces your appetite, as you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good today, as always. So this is a really quick video. I wanted to show you guys I did a bit of a weight loss journey shopping haul. So I want to show you guys and unbox my items with you guys real quick, so you can have an idea of what I am consuming to lose weight. As you already know, I've started my weight loss again, and I've done a celery juice cleansing challenge and stuff like that. It's really working great, but I do want to incorporate other products to help me speed up my weight loss journey, because I do want to get down to a good size, as opposed to what I already am at the moment. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you can see, I've just received this box today from Holland & Barrett. They do have some kind of sales going on, which is a buy one get one free on their products, which are like really great for weight loss. If you're in the UK, you should know that. So so I went on the website. They have this diet tea, which is really great for weight loss. It reduces your appetite, as you can see there. So I got these buy one get one free, so this is the second one to go with it. Then I went ahead and got the laxity, which is I think it's just a senna and fennel tea, which is really great for detoxifying and cleansing and all those nice stuff. You know, when you've consumed excess food and you feel kind of dirty within, you want to cleanse yourself and take something nice to feel good after all. So this is the one for that job. So I got 2 of it as well. This is what buy one get one free. And I also went ahead to get some ginger powder. I'm going to use in my apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to show you. I also got some cayenne pepper, so we're going to mix them all up together and they're going to be good to go. Then the last items in the box is my apple cider vinegar with the mother, of course, but this one is a vinegar with honey blend, so this is going to be really nice. It's quite expensive. It's 473 ml, but it's really worth it, and I got it on buy one get one free as well. Yeah, that's it guys. I just wanted to show you guys how far and the things that I'm doing with my weight loss, as I have officially kick-started it. And to be honest with you, I have lost a couple of weight. I'm not documenting it yet, but I will do pretty soon. I just want to incorporate these products here and see how much it goes, and then I'll show you guys my results. Video, if you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe please for more videos, you know, so you can keep up to date as well. But yeah, pretty much it all. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely evening. Bye.